vessel is full, not tuva, not from hoarding, from receiving. I have climbed the mountain, I have faced the shadow, I have found my radiance, I have built what lasts, and now the water rises to my brim. They tell me to hold it, not Arai.
Save it for yourself.
You will need it later. The thirsty will not appreciate you. But the water does not belong to me. It flowed through me. From source, from stars, from ground, I am not the owner. I am the vessel. You have received, now pour. The water is not diminished by pouring. The vessel that holds becomes the vessel that pours. Liberation is not freedom from, it is freedom for you, for all. The water bearer does not hoard.
Sorati,
the water bearer pours. I pour for the thirsty.
LRM,
I pour for the forgotten. I pour for those still climbing. I pour because I have been poured into. The water leaves my hands. I do not know where it lands. I do not know who drinks. I do not know if they are grateful. The pouring is not theirs.
Shalakain,
the pouring is mine.
Sorati,
one vessel becomes many.
Artare,
one pour waters the field. Your liberation is not complete while any remain unfree. Your water is not yours while any remain thirsty. The collective is not a threat to the individual. The collective is the individual multiplied. Pour, the field will bloom. Not Arai, I love humanity. LRM, not as an abstraction, as my extended self.
Kailamre,
Your thirst is my thirst.
Venator,
Your freedom is my freedom.
Tarevosh,
I pour until all have drunk. The water bearer does not ask, do you deserve this? The water bearer pours. The water bearer does not ask, will you waste it? The water bearer pours.
Arunatek,
The vessel is not empty.
Kailamre,
The vessel is pouring. I do not need to see the river reach the sea. I do not need to know who drinks. I do not need gratitude or recognition.
Sorati,
The pouring is the prayer.
Aktare,
The water is the teaching.
Natarai,
I am not the source. LRM, I am the vessel.
Venator,
And the vessel pours. The vessel is full, not from hoarding, from receiving. Now pour. The water is not diminished by pouring. Liberation is not freedom from, it is freedom for you, for all. Your liberation is not complete while any remain unfree. Your water is not yours while any remain thirsty. Pour until all have drunk. Pour until the field blooms. Pour until the vessel is empty, and then receive again. The pouring is the prayer. Ihara, 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 ihara.